Fresh off work. All right, we're gonna get straight to it. Today's unboxing. This is kind of like a impromptu. Just bought these off Go. Fear of missing out. Took an L on sneakers. Price dropped right after I bought them, probably like a day after I bought them. Kind of feel bad about that. But if you clicked on the thumbnail, I'm glad you did. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Yeah, today we're gonna unbox these. As you can see, too much lighting. Yeah, see? Right, too much lighting. But real quick, little Amazon package. Let me get to it real quick. You'll understand why Amazon packages are the hardest ever to open. But I don't know if you guys in the video games or anything like that. But for some, I mean, not for some reason, but to be honest, video gamers or gamers period, they do have their perks when it comes to certain things, because it's this website called IGN. They do like game reviews, test games, and they release games, basically IGN.com. But they also have like a sub website or like an email newsletter that's called IGN Deals. And they let you know like all the hottest techwear, all the hottest computers, like Alienware, all the hottest deals, like Amazon be throwing deals. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw some of that stuff, some of the emails up on the side of me. But yeah, they do a bunch of stuff like Xbox Live subscriptions, all types of stuff, bro. It's plenty of deals. It's stuff that you probably won't even realize that a gamer will be into it. Just a general consumer will find interesting and actually buying some of that. And with me saying that, I don't know if you guys ever heard of Anchor, but it's America's. Let me see that America's. I know my fingernails dirty. Please don't try me for that. I just got to work. I do dirty work. But America's leading charger brand. So it's like a backup battery. Retail, this is like 25 bucks. I think I paid $11 for this off IGN Deals. Shout out IGN Deals for that. Yeah, y'all go check them out, man. Get in that newsletter. But for the nitty gritty, we came for the package. I know there's like now people, like some people probably elongate or draw out their unboxings to be so long. But shout out to my boy Shotshine Teddy. Like every time he do unboxing, it's either like a short or like, you know what I'm saying, 5 minutes long. Ain't no point to be talking no 10 whole minutes. I mean, no disrespect, but 10 whole minutes about one shoe. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you got multiple shoes, then they, you know what I'm saying, I guess 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. But to each his own, you know what I'm saying? Do what you do. Get it how you live. But we're gonna get into the unboxing as soon as I can, see, run on my mouth. See, that's what I get for talking stuff. I can't even open the box now. Damn. All right, there we go. Now we got magic. I haven't even seen the box. I haven't even seen what the box looks like. I kind of got an idea what the shoe looks like. What else should I say? I have high hopes for the shoe because it's kind of like weird and offset, like how the pattern is and how they made it. And what else? What else are my predictions? It's like a baseball, kind of like a baseball netting or baseball like baseball. It's kind of like, you know, when how you hold a baseball. Yeah, it's like I'm a jack of all trades. I know a little bit about everything. But sometimes, you know, when you're throwing a fastball, you hold a ball like that, right? Or when you're doing some freaky. No, I'm just playing. But now you hold a baseball like this, right? But it's like on the ribs, like the red lines. You hold the baseball when you're throwing a fastball, bam. So those little red lines on the baseball, that's how you hold it. That's what's on the shoe. But they're not the color red though. We're gonna get into this unboxing. I make some weird ass noise while I'm unboxing something. Alright, that's the back of the box. So I got an idea. I ain't gonna lie, before I press record on this camera, I looked up the history behind the shoe. And that history that I read, was on like a paragraph because they summed it up on the sneakers app. So I'm gonna just leave it at that. But this is like the protagonist behind the shoes. What sneakers app was telling me is that it's two people that got married. You know what I'm saying? And this like their lifelong journey. Like as far as like I guess I want to say streetwear or art or. I'm sorry if you're watching this. I apologize. I really like Jordans, and I really like the story behind the shoe, even though I don't know too much about it. But at the same time, it was a brilliant design from what I seen in the pictures. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping I like this shoe when I actually see it in hand. So without further ado, I apologize. Ooh, I just made myself look bad. Ooh, see not? Okay. The summer. So it's like the anniversary of their marriage. That's a dope idea. I mean, that's a dope theory behind the shoe, you know what I'm saying? So I got summer on the box, got a hoop on the box. I guess they're from New York, because they're like the New York projects, probably. I was gonna say Marcy projects, but I ain't gonna get too deep and say that. I don't know. It's like the New York project though. But size, I'm not saying, I hope they're saying the wrong size. This is directly from GOAT, size 11.5. And these are the Union Jordan 1s, Bephies. Man, see, they probably clicked all the video by now. But I don't know how you pronounce that word. I wish I could Google it. Hold on. Hey Google, can you pronounce the Union Jordan 1 full name for me? Google don't even know what's up. Alexa, can you pronounce the new Jordan 1 Union for me?
From stocks.com. The Air Jordan 1 Retro ICO Low SP Union released January 27, 2023, with a retail price of $150. By the way, you have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
Nah, let me put my business out there. Alexa, stop. Anyway, Alexa tripping. But anyway, we're gonna open it up. Should I do it? No, I ain't gonna do it. But at the same time, let's go. Cause I'm way tired. You gotta work, man. Wham. See, they got a 90. They say 96. Yes, I'm holding the box with my face. Yes. Okay. So on the wax paper, it says Jordan. You can see that. Ooh, that's a dope touch. As soon as you open it, it says Air Jordan. Maybe when GOAT was authenticating it, they, you know what I'm saying, they didn't really care about the presentation, how actual Jordan brand and Nike felt about it. So they just wrapped it back up real quick. Yeah, authenticated. We're gonna get into same time. Y'all getting greedy, man. It's selfish. It's for y'all, man. That's for me, but you know, anyway. Okay. Nice. Hey. Ooh. Hey, look. The Jumpman is like not the Jumpman, but the Nike is kind of like a sponge, bro. Like that spongy material. It's like popping out the shoe. That's dope as fuck. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Alright, these hitters. These are hitters. I like this. And for me to be missing out on the time back when the no L's came out and the no photos and the yellow and black Union ones came out, and then when the red and black Union ones came out. No, it was a red and blue Union ones. The yellow. Hold on, what Unions was it? I think the colorways was like red and black, and then the other one was like red and blue or something like. It's been so long, man. Plus my memory messed up. Like I smoked the whole pack. But anyway, these are dope, bro. You know what I'm saying? These are super dope. Union LA Jordan exclusives. You got the emblem on the back. Oh my God, y'all will kill me by my fingernails, bro. I promise you. I usually keep my anybody that know me though, I keep my fingernails clipped, bro. It's just y'all caught me in a bad day. Maybe I should have looked into more detail, like oh shit, like. But we ain't gonna talk about that. But anyway, here we go. You know what I'm saying? real quick. So by now, about half the people that clicked on the video probably clicked off the video. But yeah. And then the rest of them just clicked off again. For the ones that stay though, you know what I'm saying, you get special look. And I like how they did like the baseball netting. A world bigger than its parts, the AJ1, two of their favorite trendsetters, the founders of the Union and Bephies Beauty Supply. Oh, so this the guy who made Union and his girl that owns a beauty supply. Now it's clicking. Pay homage to the summer Chris and Beth met. The design ties past to present while leaving room for you to style the future. Woven details renew vows of these industry-leading protagonists. Yes, I think Union is like really killing it. I don't know too much about the beauty supply because you know what I'm saying, I'm a dude. I don't really like, I ain't got hair, so I mean, it really ain't too much of a purpose go to beauty supply unless I'm like getting a do-rag. And then on top of that, it's not like Bephies Beauty, and maybe a black Bephies Beauty Supply. And I had to look deep into that, look more into that, but yeah. Woven, so this is a woven details renew the vows of these industry-leading protagonists. Ace accents 9 to the early days of streetwear. Okay. So they add the age look for the early days of streetwear. That color pop and stitching brings a lighting strike of energy. Kind of like falling in love. There's nothing better. Okay, that's a dope ass story behind it. This shoot even got even more respect for me, you know what I'm saying? Age like the 80s, you know what I'm saying? About 30 years deep. It is 50 years anniversary of hip hop, you know what I'm saying? That ties into streetwear, which ties into my channel, which ties into my lifestyle, which that is also tied into my channel, because I do a lot of stuff surrounding that and streetwear. So, I mean, this is like almost like a perfect fit for me, bro. For real. Almost like a perfect fit. Hell yeah. There we go. I'm gonna kiss these bad boys. But only thing is, I hope this don't like separate like when they get old and be wearing them a lot. But yeah, they're gonna go ahead and conclude for this video. Just impromptu, man. I probably did run this video for like 10 minutes, for real. But we're gonna get up out of here, man. That's the Union Jordan 1s, Bephies Beauty Supply. Dope shoe, dope collab. Shout out to Chris, shout out to Beth. You know what I'm saying? May y'all love last forever. May y'all keep coming out with dope collabs like this. That's actually amazing, for real. I don't know why I paused right there, but we're gonna get up out of here, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all later, man. Everybody be peaceful, be blessed, stay patient, and stick around. You know what I'm saying? I'm subscribing for more. I know I switched it up at the end like I usually say, but I haven't saying it lately in my videos. But we're gonna get up out of here, man. I'll holler at y'all later, man. For the passion, for the people, for the culture. Peace.